Yeah, so listen, I mean, one of the things that we've seen obviously is an explosion in the Postgres, space,
Yeah.
MySQL space. I know a lot of the public cloud environments are doing a lot with that. People are really trying; they're really taking notice of the amount of money that they can save. I know we've presented a couple of use cases to our clients on licensing being saved in the Oracle world or the Microsoft world. So, what are some of the things in the public cloud space where Postgres is being really become prevalent?
Yeah, I think when you start to look at a lot of the cloud databases per se, right? They leverage a lot of those open source technologies. You get away from that enterprise license cost, but then you still gain all the benefits and of the feature sets and the performance that you need there. And then you look at a lot of like just the change. I mean, with AI, right? With data driving value across all organizations, you have to be a lot smarter in your choice of database.
Sure,
So it's much more of a purpose built type of database versus, hey, I have this SQL Server or Oracle. Let's just put all of our data in there, right?
sure.
Now you have the purpose built. You're leveraging technologies like Aurora with Postgres or MySQL, Redshift, right, which is under the hood is really Postgres technologies. And then also like Document DB and Mongo, and so there's all those
Right.
aspects to it, but you're gaining the performance and cost efficiency when you do the purpose built. So I think that's where that's really being driven from.
Yeah, and when you have somebody like AWS Web Services that are literally, the underlying technology behind, their proprietary technology
Right.
is Postgres,
Yeah.
they're investing a tremendous amount of effort and time into that. So for
Entirely.
a fact
Yeah.
that when you make that migration, you're not going to be stuck from a support standpoint, right? You know that there's investment from an R&D standpoint
Right.
all the way moving forward. So again, those are just areas that we see at DataStrike where we help customers, either with that migration or the management when it's in AWS, because there's a lot of different features, functionalities that we're aware of that other people would have to study and come up to speed and learn with. So
Exactly.